Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing well. So this is Zuko, and today we're going to be making some homemade Zuko peanut butter dog treats. I make videos 3 times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me. Zuko also has his own playlist, so make sure you check that out as well. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The first type is going to be a no-bake recipe. You actually don't need the oven for this. The second one, we're going to be using the oven, so we're going to test out which one Zuko actually likes better. He loves peanut butter. First recipe, what you'll need is some oats. You're going to be needing peanut butter and a dash of cinnamon. The peanut butter that I like to use is this one here, so it's natural peanut butter. So when you are using peanut butter for dogs, make sure that the ingredient at the back doesn't have, it starts with an X. I'll put it up on the screen. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but that can actually be quite toxic. So make sure the ingredients does not include that. I like to use 100% natural peanut butter because it's made of 100% peanuts. We're going to be using a bit less than a 1/4 cup of oats, 1/8 of a cup of peanut butter, and I'm just going to be sprinkling the tiniest bit of cinnamon. You're going to just mix that up. This is actually plenty for Zuko because we're going to be making the baking one as well. Just roll this up into kind of like a ball. And so this is pretty much it for the first one. We're putting it into the fridge and letting it chill for about 2.5 hours, and we'll get back to that. Okay, so for this next one, you need to preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. I'm going to be using wholemeal flour today because this is a lot healthier for them. Quarter of the egg, and 1/8 of a cup of water. I'm just going to use the tip of this to create little circles on it. So that is pretty much all the dough that we've used. I told you guys it makes a lot. So I'm going to put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, these are straight out of the oven. We're going to let it cool down before we try it. I'm going to do a little taste test first. With these, you can put them into a little airtight container. They should last about a couple of weeks. waiting for the peanut butter treats to chill in the fridge for 2.5 hours, Zuko and I are gonna go for a walk. So we just came back from our little walk and these are straight out of the fridge. It's been 2.5 hours. Moment of truth. You ready to test them? I'm gonna try one first. These are actually quite yummy. Here's your one, Zuko. See, this is way too big for Zuko's little mouth. I know I've only made a small batch today, but whatever you have left, you can actually just seal them up in an airtight container or an airtight plastic bag and you can keep them for a couple of weeks. Okay, so that's the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as Zuko enjoyed his treats. If you have any more peanut butter recipes, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, let me know which one you're attempting to make, if not both. They definitely have the Zuko tick of approval. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from us, and I'll see you guys in our next video.